managed to get one of our G14s out of storage. It took 2 days, but in the operation of moving stuff, we got to access some of our more interesting projects. One of the tractors we've had to move is this Bolens H14. It's got an overhead valve to C, hydrostatic transmission, and it was also the first tractor in our collection. It's in the list of tractors that we need to get running soon. This is our wheel horse D200, which has been in storage a lot of years. This is our 1960 Bolens Rhinomatic. It's the oldest tractor in our collection. It's so old it's even the same age as Dad. This is our Bolens 800. We bought it as an unfinished project and it has some pieces missing. At one point this was our primary grass cutting tractor, but partway through a job the transmission seized, and since about 2009 it's been sitting in storage. We're going to have a walk round of the tractor. Firstly, someone's used a split pin instead of a roll pin. At some point the PTO has been changed. As you can see, the lift for the mower deck is still on there. There's no tow hitch on this tractor. By the looks of it, the starter motor is stuck open. By the serial number, it looks as though the tractor is 1974. It also looks like previously someone has used firewood to keep the battery in place. Because it's such a nice day, we thought that we'd wash it. We've got the tractor in the workshop and on the workbench. We've done a little bit of investigation. We've clamped down the clutch and the clutch plate is releasing, but the drive shaft is still seized. We've run out of time this weekend because of how long it took to get out, although we do have an idea of what it could be. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and see our other videos. More to follow as we do more on this tractor. Bye!